Hello guys and welcome. If you are new to this channel, I react to music videos, and if it's something that interests you, feel absolutely free to hit on the subscription button and stay behind. So guys, I am back again today with another reaction video, and this video was actually recommended by a subscriber. And the name is SKYNYRD and they are singing Free Bird. According to my research, I found out that this is an American rock band, because I didn't even know about them. Just like I said, it's a recommendation, and she recommended for the official live performance. So guys, feel absolutely free to drop what you want me to react to in the comment section. I'm going to check on it and do that as well. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video and see what it is all about. So sorry for pausing this early, but this is so good. The person playing this guitar is actually so talented and I love it. There's more to this. Let's keep watching. my god, guys, this is actually getting to me like more than I expected. I never saw it coming. Like, this is so amazing, so sweet. Guys, there's more to this. Let's keep watching. Wow, guys, that's awesome. I'm even speechless. I mean, this is so amazing. The instrumental is so good. And guys, these guys are taking 5 minutes to play guitar non-stop. I mean, non-stop, and they are playing it so well. Wow, kudos to them. I love what I'm seeing. There's more to this. Let's keep watching. Oh my god, guys, I am so speechless. This is one of the most amazing band I've ever seen. I mean, wow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is a new experience. Like, I just experienced something so wonderful, and I actually love it. And I know if you have stayed to this point, you love it as well. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to tag the original video on my on this on the description box. You can check it, yeah, if you want to. But I love this. To the person that recommended this song, thank you very much for doing that. Please keep the recommendations coming. Like, I'm ready for this amazing experience. Keep them coming. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. Check below, you see the subscription button, click on it, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the very first person to be notified when I upload a video. If you have any video link you want me to react to from your favorite artist, feel absolutely free and drop it in the comment section. I'm going to check on it and react to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.